In this Quality Modeler AI video, I want to take a look at our intelligent virtual AI experts we have, which can augment your team's domain expertise with AI specialists. The benefit of our virtual SMEs is they can align on quality outcomes, they can help you design better requirements, they can help you pay off technical debt by increasing your understanding, and also help you overcome complexity. Our agents wrap around the model to provide expert assistance. This could be from a security perspective, identifying potential risks and enhancements to the requirements. It could be looking at compliance, it could be looking at performance, it could also just be applying critical thinking to look at gaps and assumptions that have been made to enhance your models. These are also entirely customizable, so you can add your own agents and intelligent assistants at any time into the model to augment with specific characteristics and specific expertise that exist in your organization. So we're inside a model, and this model is for an ATM cash withdrawal process. So as we go through here, we've got the option to display the withdrawal option, we can enter an amount, and then after we go through that, we either end up dispensing cash or there's some kind of error that occurs and the transaction gets cancelled. Come into our Copilot view here. This is where we can select our virtual assistants to help us. So the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to ask it to identify missing performance scenarios that may exist in our model. What we'll see here is we have a number of recommendations that have been made in our model for different scenarios that may exist for performance. So this could be things like the cash dispensing mechanism being delayed, large withdrawal amounts, prolonged response time, database logging, a high volume of concurrent transactions. These are all performance scenarios that may end up causing problems for our system. The next one we're going to look at is our critical thinking requirement gap agent. This is going to go through and look for gaps in our model and potentially pieces of logic and behavior that haven't been modeled out for the requirement. If we take a look here, we'll see we have those scenarios. So initial card and PIN verification has not been included in this model. We're okay with that because we have another model which represents this. But there's other pieces that are missing here, like a back option after we enter the amount. Network failure handling, card ejection after transaction. We do not have that in here, that the card is ejected after we've gone through this process. So we can see here there's some scenarios that have been missed. So what we can do is we can come in and let's click one of these. I want to add the receipt option into our model. What we'll see is that we have 4 nodes that have been added. We can click on these and we can see what's happened. So as we've gone through here, we've displayed the amount. We've then got receipt options. We can print, we can email, or we can select none and the transaction is complete. We can select any of these and go in and add these scenarios. Final one I want to focus on is our accessibility agent. This is going to go through and look for accessibility concerns within our model and our ATM system. See, that's come back, and let's take a look here. So here we've got standard accessibility pieces in here, like error message clarity. We can go through text resize, alt text for images, keyboard navigation. These are all things we should consider in our ATM machine for accessibility compliance. Now, these agents are entirely customizable. Within your organization, you may have your own compliance standards, you may have your own domain expertise that exists. You can create your own agents to help you guide your model building process and overlay that expertise that exists. Thank you for watching this video.